Welcome back to Genius Junkie. Today, I'm going to show you how to create unique DIY gifts using Canva. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or just because, Canva has all the tools you need to make personalized gifts that your loved ones will cherish. Let's dive in. Selecting the perfect gift idea. First, let's choose the type of gift you want to create. Canva offers a variety of templates that are perfect for DIY gifts, such as custom mugs, photo books, posters, and more. Simply type in your gift idea in the search bar, and Canva will provide you with a range of templates to choose from. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a custom mugs. Customizing your design. Once you've selected your template, it's time to customize it. Start by adding your own photos. These could be of special memories, events, or anything meaningful to the recipient. You can upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive library. Next, personalize the text with messages, quotes, or dates that hold significance. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it super easy to adjust the layout, colors, and fonts to match your style. Exploring Canva's elements and graphics. To make your DIY gift even more special, consider adding some decorative elements. Canva's Elements tab is packed with graphics, icons, and illustrations that you can use to embellish your design. Whether it's adding floral patterns, fun icons, or a touch of gold, these elements can really bring your gift to life and make it one of a kind. Finalizing and saving your gift design. Once you've perfected your DIY gift design, it's time to finalize and save your work. Carefully review every detail. Check the text, images, and overall layout to make sure everything is just right. When you're satisfied, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose the file format that best suits your needs, PNG or JPG for high-quality images, or PDF if you plan to print your design later. Once downloaded, you can print it at home, at a local print shop, or share it digitally with your loved ones. And there you have it, a personalized DIY gift created with Canva in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative tips from Genius Junkie. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!